Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center. I'm going to show you a test that will show you if you need to do stretching of your psoas or your quad. And these both of them are hip flexors, so stay tuned. Okay, let's get busy here. We're trying to see if when you're feeling hip flexors, meaning anything that will bring your leg up or bring your torso down, that's the act of your hip flexors. So we want to see if it's your psoas that you need to stretch or if it's your quads. So both of them are hip flexors, and we go back here, and for this you're going to lay down. And if it's your hip flexor is your psoas that's tight, what ends up happening is as you bring your leg up, you bring both of them up. But as you bring the leg up, the one that is tight, your knee kind of goes up. So as you bring the opposite knee towards your chest, this knee is going to rise up. That's as a result of the psoas being tight. If it's nice and flat, then your psoas is good. The next one is a modified Thomas test, which is for your quad. For this, you need to sit. Can you see this? For this thing, you need to sit closer to the edge of the bed. And once again, you're going to go back, and I'm going to bring this leg up. And again, you're going to bring both of them up, and then let go of one of the legs. And here, what you end up seeing is this thing rising up, and your leg actually kicking out like that. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. So if your leg rises up and your leg also kicks out, that's your tight quad, which is right here. I've done a couple of videos showing how to stretch your quad and also how to stretch your psoas. So you can just go back and find those videos. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, there's a button right down here that says subscribe. So go ahead and click on it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you get a wide range of educational videos that has to do with different parts of your body, different conditions that are commonly seen in my practice. I also have a Facebook page under the name Irvine Spine and Wellness Center that I recommend you like and follow. That's also where I put any events that we're doing at the office, so we announce it there. Remember, you are the director and the designer of your own life, so design and direct it the way you wish to live it. Take care.